Hey, what's going on? I just realized got like birthday balloons on the wall and this step ladder. We're putting up new curtains and stuff. So I'm just sitting on my couch making videos here on a Saturday. Anyways, I didn't have a loom for the fire and water damage restoration snapshot yet. So I'm just going to record one real quick. This is based on what I would call my 1.0 home services snapshot template. It's one that back in November I ran a Black Friday special and I was like, I'm going to create snapshots. I had a crap ton of people order them and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm overwhelmed and I don't want to refund all these people. So I built something based on a tried and true marketing system that I've been working with for years, and I know countless other marketers that have been using a very similar system to generate thousands and tens of thousands of leads for their clients. So I built it, and that's what this is built on. What I'm doing now that I've finished all of the industry-specific snapshots, I got something viable and launchable and workable. I'm doubling back, and now I'm customizing each to make them more thorough for a full business in a box system. So I'm going through, I'm creating more in-depth funnels and complete websites, deeper, longer nurturing sequences, things like that. So what you're getting now, with the ERC and the fire and water damage restoration snapshots, is you're getting something that you can use to launch today. 20 minutes, you can have your client launched. But what you're investing in is a full business system that you're going to be grandfathered into without having to pay anything additional later on within the next few weeks. So you're going to get the full website, you're going to get more funnels, you're going to get better, longer, more vast email nurture sequences, before and after campaigns, better pipeline management, things like that. At that point, the price of the snapshot is going to jump up to $297, $497, possibly even over $1,000. You won't pay anything else. So right here, right now, I'm going to show you the version that the snapshot is itself. So it's got a 3-step funnel with a lead capture page, name, email, phone number, an appointment booking page where people can, it's book a time for the restoration team to come and assess the damage. If it's like an emergency, then there is a phone number here. If there's an emergency, call this number, and then a confirmation page as well. Picture of the team, stock image in the background. What you're going to want to do is change the background image for any real life images that the business has on their phone. More than likely they have a ton. So the automations, you can see everything is organized. If you already have a snapshot installed, this will not mix up, or you won't be confused on what automations go to what snapshot. These are all in their own folder. We got the basics here. Well, not the basics. These are beefed up basics. Have a beefed up appointment confirmation reminder campaign, beefed up auto missed call text back, new lead notifications, internal and external. So notifications going to the team and notifications and emails and texts going out to the lead for confirmation. Birthday templates. This is a referral campaign. You're wishing your customers a happy birthday, and in turn, when they respond, you're offering them either a $100 discount for any future work or a $100 referral commission if they know anyone that'd be a good referral. Database reactivation. Very similar campaign. It's a lot easier to get an existing customer to purchase your service again than it is to get a new customer to purchase your service the first time. So this database reactivation campaign is something that you can run multiple times a year, once a quarter. Follow-up campaign for people that did not close. Appointment cancellation, workflows, no-show reactivations, review requests, and Google My Business chat automations. And then these are the custom values. Again, they're labeled appropriately. They're not going to get mixed up. This is based on what I would call a Groupon campaign. If someone were to go to Groupon looking for a good local discount and they're ready to buy right now, this is what this campaign is. It's built on that concept, except they don't have to split the commissions with Groupon. Groupon takes a healthy chunk of change for any campaigns you run through there. So you're going to name the service, you're going to price the discount. You're going to name the local market name. You're going to right click the logo, get the URL, paste that in here. This is the agency name and email. So these are the leads that are sent to the business owner. This is where they're going to be sent from. Once you get the funnel up and you get a domain connected, you're just going to copy and paste the calendar link as well as the discount, like the landing page link, and then whatever tracking phone number you have here. Use a different phone number than their cell phone, than whatever they have for their office or their business card. Any online campaigns, you're going to want to use Lead Connector or Twilio, CallRail, Google Voice, Grasshopper. Whatever you're going to use, have a different tracking phone number here. So that way you can track the effectiveness of your work versus everything else they have, and you can show just how valuable you are. So this is what we have right now. Like I said, there's going to be full website, there's going to be more automations, a few more custom values, as well as a complete form that'll make entering these custom values even easier. You're investing in something pretty good moving forward. So yeah, hope this works for you.